Welcome back. You are with the news today. A Friday night special now. Remember, June 25th, 1983. This day, 38 years ago, India became World Cup champions for the first time with what is described even today as the miracle of Lords. Now, there's going to be an Opus special book coming out on the winners of 83. We caught up with Kapil Dev's team for this special. Take a look. Did you really think we would win against the West Indies on that day?
शुरू में किसी को उम्मीद नहीं थी कि हम सेमीफाइनल तक भी पहुंचेंगे, वो जो सीरियस नोट था।
None of you expected
लेकिन
even
जो
to...
पहला झटका लगा, जो अनबीटेबल टीम थी वेस्ट इंडीज की, और वहां से जब ये शुरुआत हुई, फिर जो टीम मीटिंग में डिसाइड हुआ, सब ने अपनी अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ली थी कि यहाँ से एक अच्छी शुरुआत हुई है और कुछ कारनामा हो सकता है और फिर उसके बाद तो इतिहास रचेगा।
So did all of you really believe that day that we could beat the West Indies? Genuinely?
Yeah, I believe that we can win.
You believe that we
Provided
could win?
we put them under pressure. See, West Indies, whenever you put them under pressure, they have crumbled. So
Yes.
we put them under
I
Yes,
think,
Roger.
I think after we batted in the first innings against them, that we were a bit disappointed. We felt we hadn't put enough runs on the board at that point in time. You see, before we went in, when the captain woke us all up from our sleep in the dressing room and said, "Come on, let's go. You know, if they can do it, we can do it too." And he took us inside. But till that point, I was not really convinced that we'll win.
That catch that he took of Viv Richards, was that the moment that you thought we can win?
I think so, because I think we was going great guns. I think he was the best batsman in the world at that point of time.
So you're going to remind
and
your
we thought that
grandchild...
he might just win the game for them. But I think when he ran backwards and took that brilliant catch, and we knew that we had a chance.
He says it's the easiest catch he took.
Well, for Kapil Dev, everything was easy.
Everything was easy.
Listen to me.
He made it look easy,
He
Rajdeep.
made it look easy. Who was the jokester in the team? Was there someone? Sandeep Patil.
Patel.
Sandeep
He was
Patel
the
and
spirit. He was the spirit
Krishnan
of the
and
team.
Srikanth
That was the
too.
only thing I could do. You know, I was the only one in that entire World Cup who batted and watched the World Cup. Because कपिल देव ने मुझे ऐसी जगह पे फील्डिंग पे रखा था, मेरे पास पूरे वर्ल्ड कप में, I think maybe couple of balls came. So I batted and watched the entire World Cup.
You were kept in a place where you could where the ball would not come.
Brilliant captaincy by Kapil Dev.
Your most memorable moments. Is there a moment that stands out for you? The moment that you will never forget in your life. You were man of the match in the final, so for you that was special. But any moment that stands out for you?
मेरे ख्याल से जितना भी वर्ल्ड कप था, it was memorable actually, to be very honest, and we all played as a team. We played our part. I think whenever someone has to go and perform, he gave his best. तो देखिए, एक इंसान से कोई कुछ जीत नहीं सकता. और यहाँ पे क्या था कि चाहे संदीप का नॉक हो या यशपाल का नॉक हो, कपिल की इनिंग हो या रॉजर बिन्नी का स्पेल हो, किरमानी का कैच हो, तो इट वाज ऑल टीम वर्क. जो था ये वर्ल्ड कप टीम के हिसाब से हम जीते हैं पूरा, ये वाला. और मेमोरेबल मोमेंट मेरे का हर एक मोमेंट वाज मेमोरेबल, टू वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई थिंक जब हम फाइनल पहुंचे तो हमें लगा था कि हम उतने ही अच्छे हैं जितनी वेस्ट इंडीज टीम.
I want to ask you. You live now in Goa. You know, I remember you picking up the stump when you got that last wicket, holding LBW. Where's that stump? Is it there in your bar at home?
नहीं मिली.
मेरे ख्याल से ये जो मेरे पीछे आया था यशपाल, इसने तीनों ले ली.
नहीं, ऐसा
You stole the wicket?
नहीं.
Where is that memorable?
ऐसा नहीं है. क्या था कि फार एंड से बॉलिंग हो रही थी, तो जब वो LBW हुए तो ये सब भागे, तो पीछे से क्राउड आ रहा था. अब बिग ब्रदर ने सोचा कि कुछ ना कुछ मिले, तो वो उठाने लगे तो बेल इनके हाथ में लगी. अब इतना टाइम नहीं था कि वहाँ रुके. रॉजर के पास एक है, अगर आप फुटेज...
You've got one wicket? You've got one at home? You've got one of those wickets at home?
राजदीप, फार एंड पे क्या हुआ वो मालूम नहीं. एक स्टंप अगर आप देखेंगे तो हम भाग रहे हैं, तो एक स्टंप मेरे हाथ में है, तो वो जिसके हाथ...
Where is that stump? With you?
मेरे पास है.
Where is his stump?
मुझे नहीं मालूम, इनके पास तो थी नहीं.
सामने थी
नहीं, ये निकाल दी.
ये कह रहे हैं कि जूनियर्स ने मुझे नहीं दी, वो तो फिर हमारे लिए
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा नहीं दी, मुझे दी नहीं. तुम्हें देनी चाहिए थी।
अभी भी मौका है।
अभी भी मौका है कि wait.
नहीं, कोई बेल मेरे हाथ में नहीं आई थी।
अच्छा, so you haven't, have you got, who's
No.
got the ball? Has anybody got the ball?
Sunny, I think, yes.
I think
Okay, so Sunny Gavaskar has kept the ball.
Yeah, yeah.
Trust Sunny Gavaskar to keep the most precious thing of the from the match. Not bad. But Kapil Dev, you've got any memorabilia from that match in your house?
No, nothing. I just had the memories being with them, and I think अगर मुझे आप ये पूछेंगे
Yeah,
कि
favorite
आपको
memory.
क्या है,
Yes.
वो जब डूजॉन आउट हुआ, उसने जमीन पे हाथ मारा और दूसरा जिमी विकेट उठाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, निकल ही नहीं रही थी। आई थिंक वो सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग था और वही सबसे बढ़िया था क्योंकि वो फाइनल विकेट थी वर्ल्ड कप की।
And you know, I'll tell you one very interesting story. In the very beginning, you know, when we were together, the tour was starting, I once saw a very small champagne bottle in his bag.
In Kapil Dev's bag.
Kapil Dev's bag. So I said, यार तूने क्या करना है इसका? तू तो लेता होता है नहीं, दे दे हम लोग को, you know. We'll use it. No. He kept it till the end. And that was the first bottle that was opened that you see from the balcony.
You
of
actually
was
kept a
his.
bottle of champagne throughout the World Cup? You actually thought you would win?
हैंडबैग में था और जब आप-
Handbag में champagne की bottle?
अरे
लेके चल-
बहुत
I
बार
think
कोशिश की
कमरे-
इससे ले लें, बहुत बार कोशिश की ले लें, इसने दी नहीं बिल्कुल। He was one man from the beginning who always believed that we'll win it. मेरे को तो जब पता लगा मेरा नाम आ गया तो मैंने से मजाक में, Jimmy was at Lancaster, I was playing in Lower House in Lancashire. So I called him and I said कि Jimmy मैं आ रहा हूँ, रात को इकट्ठे चलेंगे Westmoreland Hotel, 1 महीने का free paid holiday मिल गया हमें. Because we never thought that
So
we
you
would
thought
win.
it was a trade-off, but you actually thought you would win.
Yes, I think at that time I had a bottle, and when we reached the final, I said, हारो या जीतो वो बाद की बात है, हम चैंपियन तो खोलेंगे, ये thought process था।
Your most memorable moment of 1983?
My most memorable moment, honestly, I mean, everybody's shared. I was just hearing everybody talking. But I think, honestly speaking, I think, yes, one is obviously winning the cup. I mean, 183 all out, nobody expected, none of us, the whole world didn't expect. We didn't expect. We just thought, okay, fine. We just, a couple days said, let's go, make it try and make it as difficult as possible. But I think if you really ask me, the most greatest moment I saw is a couple days 175 not out. Because 78 was 6. And I will never forget that day because my wife Vidya joined me. I was sitting outside the cold breeze and Man wouldn't let my wife inside, wouldn't let me go to the loo also. Man was so harsh on me. The entire 175 not out. Imagine, Sala Madrasi, hot weather and going to cold weather, Tonbridge was wind blowing there. Unbelievable.
You know, the story that for you typifies the spirit of that team. What was it about that team that made it so special the first time we won? What for you is the moment that you will treasure all your life?
Honestly speaking, yes, finals everybody would say, but I would still say the first match against West Indies. Because that match was the match which really opened, which gave us belief. And I think there you can see the Captain Kapil Dev on the screen. He gave us that self-belief. We all thought, hey, where, man, we are going to beat this West Indies team. No chance. Powerful, power-packed side. But Kapil was one guy who said that when we can beat West Indies once in Berbice, why not once more? So that rubbed on us. I think that's when the team spirit started building. So in my opinion, the first match at Old Trafford, Manchester, was the key match for me. And I think that match only lifted the spirit. And from then on, it became total teamwork.
Sandy, your favorite story, untold story, some untold story?
I think the call which I got on the 22nd eve of the semi-final match from my mother, and she said that I have never asked anything in my life, and 22nd happened to be her birthday. So can you give me some special present? And taking India to finals and scoring 51 not out was something special.
Lovely.
I remember Kapil giving me a tablet. I was having pain on my ear. So he gave me some tablet. And later on I came to know that it was a vitamin tablet. Not a painkiller.
So Gordon got out after Sandhu was given a vitamin. If there was a match between the 83 World Cup team and the 2011 World Cup team, जीतता कौन?
Oh, definitely हम जीते.
अरे वाह, ये हुई था बात. See, definitely हम जीतते.
हमारे पास सारे फाइटर हैं.
आपके पास?
हमारे पास सारे जितने भी खिलाड़ी बैठे हैं ना, ये सब फाइटर है ना. ये छोड़ने वाले थोड़ी है कोई. Everybody will get a chance to, if they want to do well, they will definitely win the game.
They will definitely win the game. Yes, Roger.
They will never give up.
If you're playing in Lords, we'll definitely win again.
If you are
If the
playing,
match is at Lords between
if
the
the
two
match
teams,
is at Lords,
we'll win.
1983 team will defeat Dhoni's team. Definitely. My God, yaar, dum hai abhi bhi, huh? Was that the one thing about this team? When you picked up that trophy, what was the first thing that came into your mind when you were handed over the World Cup trophy? पहली बात आपके दिमाग में क्या आई उस समय?
वो इंग्लिश बोल रहा था, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही थी और मैं कह रहा था ट्रॉफी दो यार, मैं टीम के पास जाऊं। उस टाइम सिर्फ ये दिमाग में चल रहा था, कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि हमें आइडिया ही नहीं था जीतने के बाद क्या होता है, हमने कभी सेलिब्रेशन नहीं देखी थी। तो वो पहली बार ऐसा कुछ हुआ और वी जस्ट वांट टू बी टुगेदर इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम एंड जितना धमाल कर सकते थे हम करना चाहते थे, क्योंकि ऐसे दिन बहुत कम आते हैं ज़िंदगी में।
Just get a sense therefore when this team is called Kapil Dev's team.
Kapil's Devils.
Kapil's Devils as they are called. Are they Kapil's Devils or are they 1983 World Cup winners of India?
I think 1983 World Cup winning team. You know, media people or the people who write, they always pick up stories and they know how to make it big. I don't think so. It's Devils or anything like that. It's the 83 team who done it, and I think we will be known for 83 team.
What do you do when you all come together? Apart from your WhatsApp group, how do you all?
I wish you were with us last evening. No, I'll tell you what 83 did. I mean, obviously we won that thanks to his captaincy. Everybody contributed. But you know, 83 basically made India as a cricketing superpower. You know, we had ICC presidents and chairmen. We had the next World Cup coming into India. Then we saw commercialization of cricket. We saw TWI coming in with the ESPN. And commerce started coming in. So that was basically the stepping stone for things to come in the future. So as 83, we feel that we were pioneers to make India as a cricketing superpower. That was thanks to Kapil and his Devils.
Yes.
I think सीधी सड़कें याद नहीं रहती, मोड याद रहते हैं, important mode. And I think 83 was a mode.
You tend to be very subdued. आजकल गोवा में रहते हो, खुश रहते हो in my home state. You like to always remain low profile. Is that the way you are?
नहीं, मेरा सोचने का तरीका अलग है कि मैं आज के लिए जीता हूँ।
अच्छा।
हाँ, बिकॉज पिछला ज़माना जो है वो गुजर गया, वो यादें हैं।
Live by the day.
अगला आगे का दिन किसी ने देखा नहीं। आई लव गोवा एंड आई लव गोवा द बेस्ट जब मानसून टाइम वहाँ पे होता है। मेरे ख्याल से इससे बेहतर कोई जगह नहीं हो सकती। और जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ बहुत सुकून है, फैमिली साथ में है, मौज मस्ती रहती है और गाने सुनता रहता हूँ, गाने टीवी देखता रहता हूँ।
You want to sing a song? And sing a song. Let's hear a song. A musical thing. कोई गाना?
और शायरी भी करते हैं, बहुत बेहतरीन
अच्छा, तो
शायरी भी
एक
करते
गाना
हैं।
हो जाए. Since I know that you love music.
चलो हमारे सब दोस्त यहाँ पे हैं
चलो।
तो जब मेरे ताल में ताल दे देना।
हाँ, come on.
ना हरम में ना चैन मिलता है बुत खाने में।
वाह 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 भाई वाह।
चैन मिलता है तो साथी तेरे मैं खाने में। झूम 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 झूम। काली घटा है आहा, मस्त फजा है आहा, काली घटा है मस्त फजा है, जाम उठाकर झूम 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 बराबर झूम शराबी झूम बराबर झूम।